I'm more interested in deconstructing some of that and trying to find out how and why, what needs were not being met in that relationship. That's a signal to me that some couples aren't having the conversations that they need to have. So that's how I would in order to rebuild trust. Okay, now we're getting into trusting somebody. Okay, to rebuild trust in a relationship, it's a multi-steps, but think about it. If someone betrays you in a relationship and you decide to stay with them, you're recommitting yourself to each other. What happens? In the back of your mind, you're thinking, is this person going to do it again? You're like, can I trust this person again? Or is this person going to continue to betray my trust? So how you can figure this out is to think about, does this person talk to me open and honest, transparent? So people who are transparent aren't likely to cheat. So are they somebody who doesn't air their grievances? Or when they do air their grievances, are you the kind of person to ignore them? Do you diminish their grievances? Do you put them down in some way? Do you tell them there's something wrong with them, try to shame them because they have these needs and wants? So you have to, in healthy relationships where you want to affair-proof your relationship, make sure you're in a relationship where everybody feels comfortable talking about how they feel and are comfortable airing grievances. So that's one of many of the things, but that's off onto another topic. But I really do think, affairs happen when somebody is just feeling like their current relationship is lacking in some way. So try to get into it. Okay, let's see what the comments are. It is reasonable to remarry a woman who cheated with multiple men. Is it reasonable to remarry a woman who cheated with multiple men? Absolutely, Tyson. I feel like you can. I feel like you need to assess. You need to assess what's going on, but it is possible. Maybe that person has an explanation for that. Like, I'm curious about what they say. I really do think it's possible, Tyson. I think it's possible. I think you should probably maybe get some counseling to try to dig down and try to figure out why this person has a habit of being unfaithful. But I think it is possible. On a construction, went off with her addicted first lover. Oh my goodness. Boy, oh boy. Yes, Tyson, for real, I think it is. Communication is key, but it's also making your partner, building an atmosphere where your partner feels comfortable talking about what's on their mind. I think that is so important. Yeah, so so Tyson is saying that you were very faithful to her, for the record. So it wasn't like she was getting back at you, but I am certain that maybe she felt hurt in some other ways. So it's a terrible thing for somebody to go through, but I have seen couples, by the way, get through infidelity, and on the other side of infidelity, their relationship is more stronger than it ever was before.